Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the Pokemon Masters EX. So as you can see, I have over 6,000 money right now, so I'm going to show you guys exactly to do this. It's super insane and it actually works. So if you play Pokemon Masters EX, keep watching and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So we're going to go over this website, guys, called ZooMods, which has a ton of mods for apps and games. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So once you get onto this website, guys, just go to the search bar and look for the one called Pokemon Masters. Where is it? There it is, Pokemon Masters EX. So press on this and wait for it to download. If you got a decent connection, it shouldn't take that long. So we'll just give it a second to go ahead and load here. As you guys can see, I've already installed this, so I'm not actually going to download it again. But if we go to the App Store and type in Pokemon Masters EX, let me just do that right here, Pokemon Masters EX. As you can see, guys, go to in-app purchases. You can see it's super expensive, so this is why, guys, you need to get everything for free by just going to ZooMods. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself, guys. It's super insane. This actually works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but this is super cool, guys, and you can become a true Pokemon fan with this Pokemon Masters EX hack. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, it's super cool, guys, and it fully works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'm not really interested in playing games with no money, so I'm happy to have a lot of money now. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, it's fully working, guys. Super cool. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. Super cool, guys. And if this tutorial works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and tell all your friends, because this is super weird that this even exists. But yeah, it's Pokemon Masters EX hack for 2024. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it and get the word out. I'll see you guys later, and peace out, gang.